Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar, Myles Smith, another song from him in collab with James Bay. Alright, great, and they do the song called Waste. Alright, so we're gonna look at two different techniques in the song. We have the picking pattern, and we also have a straight strumming. We'll come to that first, the setup. We use a capo on the 7th fret. Why? Because we want the easiest chords possible combined with the high notes. So that's the reason. Put your capo on 7th and let's go with the chords. We're gonna start with F. Okay, so that's a bar chord. You place your index finger on the 1st fret where you cover all strings. And then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Next chord is C. And that goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. A minor next, and that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have G as well, and that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. And then for the bridge part later, we use D minor as well. So D minor goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. All right, so let's first go into the picking patterns, and we're going to use 4 chords out of this 5 to handle the picking. That will be F, C, A minor, and G. So the F pattern goes like this. You will use 2 notes per chord here. So for F, you're going to use 1st fret on E string in the bass, and you're going to alternate that with the 2nd fret G. So 4 rounds. That. Next chord C, you're going to use that combo. So that will be 3rd fret A. And you alternate that with the high open E. Then we have the A minor part, and that will be, you now use the open A string as the bass and 1st fret B string. And for the final chord will be G, you're going to use that combo. That will be 3rd fret on E string in the bass. You alternate that with the open high E. Okay, so we have the tools now to handle it when it comes to the picking pattern. And that's how the song starts. We're gonna look at the verse. So you're gonna play 4 strumming rounds on F, then 4 on C, then 4 on A minor, and then back to C4 again. So that will be the chord progression. F4, C4, A minor 4, and C4. You're going to do that for 2 rounds, like this. Again, F4, C4, A minor 4, C4. That's the first verse. Okay, into the first pre-chorus. And that's in the lyrics, eyes look up at the stars. And you're gonna continue the picking here. You're gonna play F4, C4, A minor 4, and G4. Okay, so G4 in the end there. You're gonna play it for 2 rounds, and in the final 2nd round, the final chord, the G there, you're just gonna pick 1 time on the bass, which is the 3rd fret E string when it comes to the G. And that's down. Will ring out with a little pause that builds up for the chorus. So F4, C4, A minor 4, G4, and the final G just 1 down on the bass, like this. Again, F4, C4, A minor 4, and bass on G. Pause, and now comes the chorus. So we have the chorus. It's about 4 rows, so to speak. So the first 2 rows or lines will be F4, C4, A minor 4, and C4. We'll play that. Again, F4, C4, A minor 4, C4. That's the first half of the chorus, the first 2 rows. The 3rd one differs a little bit from the other ones. So that will be to play F4, A minor 4, C4, and F4. So it both starts and ends on F. like this. Okay, that's the third row, and then the fourth is played in the same way as the first two. So F4, C4, A minor 4, and C4. And that's the first chorus. Okay, then we have a post-chorus part. You just continue with F4, C4, A minor 4, and C4 for another round there. Okay, that's the first round of everything now. In the second round, this is where you can start to play the strumming, and you can actually do that already in the first chorus. We'll come to how to play it. So when it comes to strumming now, everything is about 8 downs, okay? So if you choose to go with the strumming, these 8 downs replaces all the 4s we play. So we're just gonna play one string around per chord. So how are you gonna do it? If you go back to F, which is how the second verse starts, the chord progression will be the same, exactly the same throughout the song when it comes to different parts. So verse play is F, C, A minor, and C. One string around per chord, and one goes like this. So what you're gonna do here is to emphasize 3 out of these 8 downs. So you're gonna start with the first one. So you're gonna emphasize the first, the fourth, and the 7th down in the way that you're playing on the higher string, higher mid area when it comes to the strings. So on those first, 4th, and 7th downs, you're gonna play down here. And all the other downs you're gonna play on the bass string. So top, bass, bass, top, bass, bass, top, bass. Okay? Or you can choose to go and switch it up. You're gonna play. If you think that is easier, but the sound is where the first version goes, the top, bass, bass, top, bass, bass, top, bass. Okay? So that is how you're gonna handle it. 8 downs in total, first, 4th, and 7th. Play them on the higher strings if you can, and then all the other downs you play on the bass strings. If you think that's too much to handle with this strumming and chords and everything, then just chew 8 downs per chord. So one chord progression around in the verse goes like this: F, C, A minor, C. Okay. So the second round of everything is just repetition. The verse plays the same, the pre-chorus is the same, the chorus is the same, and then comes the second post-chorus. This is twice as long as the first one. So you had 1 round in the post-chorus 1. This time you play for 2 rounds, F, C, A minor, C with strumming. Okay, after that second post-chorus comes the bridge part. We're now about 2 minutes and 35 seconds into the song. This is where we're gonna use the D minor. It actually starts with D minor. So you're gonna use the strumming technique now. Again, 1 string around per chord, and the chord progression will be D minor, then F, C, and G. Okay, so 1 or 2 rounds goes like this. Play 2 rounds, you're gonna play 4 rounds, and that's the bridge part. After that comes the final outro part, and that is simply to play the F, C, A minor, C with the strumming for 2 rounds, and that wraps it up with the Waste song from Myles Smith and James Bay. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. I felt that I could teach you my best here in this one. I really work hard for you to get the latest songs out there, not only them, but also songs you wish for and some old goodies. Everything to educate you guys. So I hope to get something back. Smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and have a nice day. Till next time, play tuned.